Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to show you this parcel. I'm really like overwhelmed by this because I knew that I was on the Revolution PR list, but I genuinely was not expecting this, and I'm so happy to present to you guys the new Disney Aristocats collection with Revolution. So they have kindly sent across most of the collection. They've kindly sent across the collection for me to try out and to share with you guys, and I'm so excited. So if you want to see, keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys what I've been sent. And honestly, this is the best collection ever. If you know me, I have a cat and I'm very much a cat person, so this is just amazing. Okay, so they sent across this leaflet which basically shows you what's in the collection. So we have got some really lovely bits. So I'm going to tell you the prices as well as what they are, what the products are and things. So the first thing which we have to look at is the palette. So the palette is called the Stay Sassy Aristocats palette. I Love Revolution Stay Sassy. So it's got 36 perfect, like perfect shades of matte and metallic shadows to make your eyes sparkle like sapphires. Oh my god, this collection's adorable. Look, how adorable is this? I hope this lighting's okay. It should be, because it's very sunny outside, which is just amazing. But anyway, let's take the little leaflet. I love taking this little thing off. Oh my gosh, look at the colours, so pretty. Wow, that is gorgeous. So this palette is very big. You get a hell of a lot of shades in here. So I'm going to show you guys some shimmers, and I'm going to show you some swatches of some mattes as well. So first of all, I want to see what Marie looks like. This pink, beautiful. Paris. Oh my god, these are so soft, so soft. Wow, they're beautiful. So let me just see if we can show you how they look. So I don't know if you can see, but they're very pastel, which I like. I really love that. Really love that, actually. Let me see if I can get a little bit more. Oh, these are so pretty, honestly. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so there's some of the mattes. So we've got Marie, that pink one. Oh, these are so lovely. They're so soft. And then I'm going to show you some shimmers. Wow, these are unbelievably soft. Okay, I think I found my perfect shade. Perfect, it's called. That's stunning. That is stunning. Look at that at the top. Wow, these are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to try these out. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to try that palette out. So the palette is, I don't want to get makeup everywhere. The palette is £15 with 36 shades in there. That's amazing. I love it. I'm so excited for this. So looking forward to that. The next thing is this brush. How cute is this? The brush is £8. It says, "Oh bonjour, meet our purtiest brush yet, made from 100% synthetic hair fibres. This ultra soft paw shaped brush is perfect for applying highlighters and blushes. Guaranteed to look fabulous on your dressing table as well." We have got to have a look at this, because this is just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm so excited for this. Just adorable. Oh, look at it. How cute. Oh my god, it's got a paw print on. Oh my god, it's got a paw print. I love this. This is so soft. I love it. This is £8 with a little paw print on. How cute is that? Love this so much. Can't wait to try that. And then we have the So Pretty highlighter in, what colour have we got? Am I missing the colour here? Highlighter Illuminator, apologies. Oh, look at the packaging of this. Oh my god, so cute. So the colour we have is Madame. Oh my god, so pretty. Look, it's got a little paw print in. Can you see it's got a little paw print in there? How blooming adorable can I Heart Revolution get? Seriously, look at that. That is stunning. Let's have a look and see. Oh, can you see that? Just, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just do it on this hand because you are not. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Can you see that? That is absolutely stunning. Wow. Wow. Love that. So the highlighter is £5. That's beautiful. And it comes in, I think it comes in 3 different ones. Does it come in 3 different ones? Yes, three different ones. But I love the shade I've got. So pretty. Then we have some eyelashes, which is adorable. So these are called the Perfect Eyelashes. And oh, they're so cute. You see them? They are so cute. So they're fluffy 3/4 faux mink lashes to create the perfect cat eye, glue not included. How cute are they? And they are £8. Wow. So affordable. That's what I love about Revolution, that they're just like so affordable as well. And then lastly we have got this I Heart Revolution Ooh La La Aristocats lip gloss. This one is in the shade Berlioz. Let's have a look. So I've got like a matte lip on at the moment, but I will try it. How cute is the packaging? Oh my god. This collection, I'm obsessed. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, I really love the formula of that. Not sticky at all. Like a, like a lip balm, but a thicker lip balm. That is gorgeous. I need to see that up close actually. Let me just see what that. That is so pretty. I'm dying to try the other shades of it, honestly. That is the cutest thing ever. And the lip gloss is £5. So this trio of lip gloss is the perfect addition to any makeup bag to take you from day to night. These vanilla scented glosses can be worn solo or used as a lip topper over your favourite lipstick. So this one is clear with a subtle hint of pink. The Toulouse, a warm toned peachy nude. Sounds good. Marie sheer with iridescent pink hues. They sound incredible. And it says it's got a vanilla. Did it say vanilla scent? Was that a vanilla scent? Vanilla scent, yeah, let's smell it. Oh, no way. Oh, wow. Oh my god, you guys. If you get anything from the collection, get the lip gloss. Oh, beautiful. Love it. Thank you so much, I Heart Revolution. I sent me this across. You are my angels. I just love you guys so much. Thank you so much for sending it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you are going to get the collection, and let me know down below what your favourite product was. I think my favourite is the lip gloss. I love the highlighter. I love it all. I love the brush. I love the palette. I love everything. I love the palette and the lashes as well. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, I hope you enjoyed your first video. Please subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.